car's a little wet this morning, and no breakfast yet. Trunk is open. Look at that thing. What the? Very cool. Yeah, a little TVR. Looks like, yeah, right-hand drive, of course. Look at that yellow interior. Wild. It's pretty cool. And here for VALT Auto. Head over in a second. This is a really nicely spec'd 997. I like the Martini livery. And a nice Type R. With the wing. Very cool. My car's not wiped down, so that's good. Still a little dirty, but good enough for photos later. All my videos from yesterday. I'm a little tired. Yeah, I know. I only. Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah. You've been at the track on Laguna. That's definitely tiring. Look at these Myers Minx. It's so cool. It was the newer version here. That's cool. Let's check out the inside. Really cool. Alright, I can't stop for everything. This show's gonna be too crazy, so. Alright. I like the BMW wrap. Or Mercedes, I mean, BMW, what the frick am I saying? Mercedes Racing. And also a Fisker Karma. Kind of cool. Don't see these too often. Oh, and the cake car. Oh my gosh. Wow, and another 991. Oh, Miami Blue. Miami Blue. Alright, hold on. This is nice. This is funny. Hi, doggy. Look. In case you need to look at some advertisements from the olden days. Look at this. Auto Week, Mercedes. Crazy. Hold on. Here's Germ's DNA. World famous. Glad to see your car's not just parked on the street all day like it was yesterday.
Oh, what? Oh, you saw it?
I saw you a couple times. See you, man. Oh, there's this. Good luck. Well, there you go for Gus. You can add a mount, see? That's options for you. And a wing. And some really stand-style wide tires. Loves ABS wheels, so it's kind of converted to me too. See, black and gold's good. Not sure about with white though. No, back to where I was. All right, let's continue this way. Ketchup and mustard. Very nice. This is how we're going to do a lot of this video, is walking, because this event is usually too big. crazy as this truck. What the heck is this? That's cool. This is what I like to see at Car Week. I don't know exactly what it is, but I like it. Look at these seats. Looks very uncomfortable. Double NSX.
That's perfect. You've got the carbon fiber where it goes.
Well, it came this way. I didn't do anything other than the floor mats
Ford
and the battery.
Deluxe.
Okay. Of course, that's the way your 206 came.
There isn't any.
This guy last year.
They didn't have any on there. I had Type S.
Mustang crew. Corvettes. And looks like red cars. Looking inside of the white LP. Let's check it out. Pink. Memories, not gated. Alright. Beautiful, though. Kind of miss, you know, what are we looking at? Sky?
The Skyline?
Well, I saw one of them coming in, right?
No, the really old one.
Oh, the classic. Ew.
A gray one and a white one.
I don't know. Dude, there's so much here. I feel like I barely even started. I think I missed that before. Well, whatever. Alright. Alright, let's see what's going on in the main area now. Wow. Big Impala.
Quarter of a mile away.
Okay. This is just.
Correct.
356s? That's crazy. Lovely green.
Yeah, I got a call.
Let's see, it says some number of mileage on here. Wow. Almost 1 million miles. Not quite.
Out here, it's got a really cool
You catch the
all-wing.
two IROC Porsches?
No, I haven't been through here yet.
They already love.
Nice. Really, yeah, that's the thing. This is like a, you know, rolling cars and coffee. Up.
Yeah, everyone's
Yeah.
gonna be somewhere.
I don't know if this guy's gonna move. I'm gonna keep walking. Yeah. Crazy. Oh yeah, easy one. This was like my favorite car at Car Week several years back when I first saw it, learned what it was.
Just because we went
It's
last
so cool.
Saturday, so we.
Right-hand drive. AutoZam. CRV. Give it a couple more years. Technically, every car is a car.
The yellow one? Oh, God.
Okay, I'm just gonna walk. Like I said, it is a little lower key, but it is earlier. Oh, there's some spots over here. We saw this yesterday in, was it Pacific Grove or somewhere we saw it? Yeah. Oh, there you go, slant nose.
cousin, yeah. I mean, because I was going to go straight to
Carmen Kia. You see the trailer that looks like that shape, and you're like, why is this weird shaped trailer here? This is why. Because that comes out of the trailer. What?
No kidding. You won't have to let us know when you start.
How would you like to sit back here? Oh my gosh. Crazy. Yeah. It's so cool.
Yeah, please shipping email just happened.
D-type. 1956. This is cool. Wow. BMW next to it's like, hey, look at that engine. What on earth? Crazy.
So this is a 2000.
The dog. Too crowded.
Where did you park?
That was the white one when you first saw me over on the other side over there. One of them. Mitsubishi's. So small. Sorry. Woo. Yeah, it's a little nuts here today. Just say that. I used to have a white one, or silver one. I say white. That's cool. My wife did not like it because it was so cramped inside, but they're cool.
I had a passport before.
All right. Yeah. I actually test drove one of these again not too long ago, but it just wasn't driving right. And I was like, no, money pit. We're about at 4:30. Curious to see where he thinks he's gonna go. Multiple yellow Alphas. Look at this. Crazy Datsun. Crazy Z. Wow. Alright. Double skylines. Wow. Alright. Not here for the monster. There we go. The whole thing. Wow. Ah, you don't see that. It's like meter.